Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm outside doing some repairs. I got a part that had just came in for this propane powered 6.2 liter. We're actually going after the fuel tank supply valve, which is also the manual shutoff for when you're doing servicing or replacement of any parts on this system. So what I've already gone and done a couple days ago is I've vented the tank to atmosphere. Nothing else is coming out. If you guys can verify with me, my fuel level sensor is indicating it's on E. You can see the indication right there. And all we got is a couple 10 mil bolts. We got a Jiffy Tight quick disconnect fitting, electrical connector, and then as you can see on the side over here, it has a connection on the inside. So what I'm going to do first, for safety's sake, before I take these 4 bolts out, I'm just going to make sure the engine doesn't start, and then we will start removal. Now, why on earth would somebody need one of those? Alright, let's check it out. It's got a delayed crank. Waiting for the fuel system to flush. Okay, we got no fuel pressure on the instrument cluster. That's good. Should be a crank no start right now, which is what we want. Anytime now. Okay, so it's definitely not going to start. We have 100% no fuel in the tank, so it's safe for us to start disassembly. Alright, so gonna get you all situated, and we're gonna start disassembly. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this electrical connector off. Take this little clip out. They stress that you are to use the special tool when removing these and servicing them. Otherwise, you need to use a special tool and not remove the clip as I just did. But I lost the clip. We're getting a new one. It comes with the new part, and we don't have to worry about that right now. So, see if this line comes out. It's loose. Might get just a little piff of propane. Gotta put it back in a little bit. Okay, here comes the last one. Okay, got no pressure in here. Totally loose. That's a big safety thing. You don't want this thing, you know, imagine all the pressure you have in here and then you release it to atmosphere. I mean, what do you think's gonna happen? Alright, you guys, so we got this loose. Let's see if we can get that out. Okay, no problem. And then I don't know if you guys can see that connector back there, can you? This is going to be kind of a little bugger here. Don't got a lot of play. Okay, it's loose. I'm wiggling it out. There it is, you guys. I'm going to transfer this O-ring over. I got the new one, the new part. It didn't come with the O-ring. Why? I have no idea. It doesn't look like it's tore or anything. Okay, check out the new one. Gonna put it in the same way it came out. Don't want to get that O-ring to roll or anything. Just want to put it on there nice and flat. Now this, how in the hell do they expect you? That right there is gonna be tricky, guys. That's gonna be tricky. Gonna be tricky. I don't know. Now, why couldn't they have made it just a wee bit longer, eh? Oh, for crying out loud. All right, let's see if I can keep my one finger in there. All we gotta need to do is just a snap, baby. I've never wanted anything to snap so much in my life. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of wiggle that down on there. That's definitely not coming up. And that's it, you guys. We're just gonna put these bolts in and put it back together. Just like so. This is a propane tank solenoid, which also has the manual valve in it. Perfect. Okay, verify our clips in. We can go and shut our manual bleed. I showed you guys right there. Got that shut. Our electrical connector. We want to make sure this is opened up all the way. So now we're going to be squirting fuel in it. And lastly, all we need to do is to put this cover back on, which is, so yeah, we're going to put this cover on. Going to push all these wires back in here, get it in the convolute. Make it look nice and fancy. Just hangs on these two tabs, and I just put everything in this bottle so I'd know where they are at. And then I believe these were 11s. Nope, they're 10s. Just going around the perimeter. Just like that. What are you guys doing this weekend? You guys gonna be working on anything? You guys gonna be anybody playing any video games? If anybody's on PS4, they should look me up. Alright, you guys, that is it. That is how you replace a fuel tank supply valve on a Roush propane vehicle with a tank in the bed. The other ones kind of are the same if you had like a school bus or a transit bus, but yeah, tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching.